Travelling around the globe has been restricted for a long time now. Luckily, the Marktaal Rotterdam is still able to let you taste cuisines from a vast array of cultures. So, with that in mind, here's 4 of our favourite stalls on offer. Fresh, passion and culinary craftsmanship are the core values of Satay Lounge. Besides the classic Indonesian dishes, they also serve their own signature recipes, like the Argentinian beef satay, coupled perfectly with their salted strawberry sauce, making for both a truly unique and delicious flavour palette, which you should definitely give a try. Did you know that around 40% of the Indian population is vegetarian? And for a moment, you can join their way of life by visiting 55 Bombay Streets. The blend of aromatic spices that they use in their dishes will give you that authentic Indian street food vibe. Ekmekçi, world famous in Rotterdam, takes you to the Mediterranean coast with their traditional Turkish dishes. The food that they serve consists of only natural ingredients, ensuring that you can enjoy the authentic flavours that they've been creating for the last 3 generations. It rhymes, it's Dutch and it's delicious. As the name may suggest, the Kroket Loket serves a wide variety of kroketten. Go for the classic beef variety or step outside your comfort zone and go for a filling such as Rotterdam cheese, truffle forest mushrooms or Indonesian rendang. Do you want to know more about these places or other recommendations? Then head over to Rotterdam on welcometotheworld.com. Browse, book, benefits.